Welcome to Module 7, Practical Exercises and Roleplay. In this module, we'll put everything you've learned so far into practice by analyzing real email examples, identifying mistakes, and improving them using proper email etiquette. Let's start with email sample 1, which shows poor formatting and a lack of clarity. The subject line, FWD, important, is vague and doesn't tell the reader what the email is about. A better approach is to use a clear and specific subject that sets expectations right away. Next, the instructions in the body are unclear. While the sender asks for the report to be fixed, it doesn't explain what exactly needs to be updated or how. Clear and detailed instructions help avoid confusion and rework. The tone of the email also feels abrupt and demanding. Short commands without polite language can come across as rude, even if that wasn't the intention. Adding courteous phrases makes the message more professional and respectful. Now, look at the improved version. The subject line clearly states the purpose of the email. The message starts with a polite greeting, provides specific instructions, and ends with a clear deadline. The tone is respectful, and the closing invites questions, making the communication more effective and collaborative. This exercise shows how small changes in subject lines, clarity, and tone can significantly improve the quality and impact of your emails. Let's look at email sample 2, which highlights the issue of oversharing and an unprofessional tone. At first glance, the subject line, "Need help, ASAP," feels overly urgent and informal. Excessive punctuation can create unnecessary pressure and reduce professionalism. A more neutral subject line helps set the right tone. In the body of the email, the sender expresses frustration but doesn't clearly explain the problem. Without specific details, the recipient may not know how to help effectively, leading to delays or back and forth. The tone of the message also comes across as panicked and unorganized. While it's okay to ask for help, maintaining a calm and confident tone makes your request easier to respond to. Now, notice the improved version. The subject line clearly states the purpose of the email. The message explains the exact task and the specific issue, uses polite and professional language, and ends with a courteous closing. This example shows how being clear, composed, and respectful can make your requests more effective and improve collaboration. Now let's review the last email sample, which focuses on the importance of addressing the recipient professionally. In the original email, the greeting and closing are very informal. While phrases like "hey" and "cheers" may be acceptable in casual conversations, they may not be appropriate in a formal or professional setting. Choosing the right salutation and closing helps set the tone of respect and professionalism. Another issue is the lack of clear information. The email mentions a meeting but doesn't include important details such as the date, time, location, or purpose. This can lead to confusion and unnecessary follow-ups. In the improved version, the subject line clearly states the purpose of the email. The greeting and closing are professional, and the body provides all the necessary meeting details. The message is clear, polite, and easy for the recipient to respond to. This example highlights how small changes in tone and clarity can make your emails more professional and effective. Before we move ahead, let's quickly summarize the key takeaways from this module. Always prioritize clarity, professionalism, and the right tone in every email you write. Remember to adjust your email style based on who you are writing to and the context of the situation. Most importantly, many email mistakes can be easily avoided with careful review and regular practice. Keeping these points in mind will help you communicate more effectively and confidently through email. This brings us to the end of the Module 7, Practical Exercises and Roleplay, and also the last module of this training. In this module, we applied everything we learned by analyzing real email examples, identifying common mistakes, and improving them using proper structure, tone, and formatting. These practical exercises are designed to help you confidently apply email etiquette in real workplace situations. With regular practice, you'll be able to write clear, professional, and effective emails that leave a positive impression every time.